Hello everybody, my name's Henry. I'm from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and we just put in this Pioneer DMH-WT7600NEX and the 2014 Chevy Silverado. It has a 9-inch capacitive screen. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, so you don't have to physically connect to a wire. It displays your Google Maps. It'll display Waze Maps if you have that too. It'll show you Spotify, Pandora, all the apps that you have on your phone. It'll connect to that and then show you on the radio, and you can control it from there too. We have a Maestro module connected to this car, so that actually connects to the physical car's OBD2 port, and it displays the car's information, like the gauges, for example, this speedometer, fuel intake, load, all that information it displays on the radio. It also shows the tire pressure, how much pressure there is in the tire, shows that on the radio. If the door is open, it'll show up on the radio. That indicates that the door is open. Shows the voltage of the battery on the radio. If you have a check engine light, it will display it, and it'll give you the code right here. So if you press that, once you get a check engine light, it'll show you what the code it is. Also, it has the AC controls here from factory, but if you change it, if you change the fan speed or anything like that, it'll show you everything on the radio itself. So it integrates seamlessly to the radio. Also, the original camera is connected to it. So this is the factory OEM camera. Also, the buttons on the steering wheel, so if I change the volume from the steering wheel, that all is connected to it. It also has Wi-Fi built in. So this is the new NEX series. So once you connect your Wi-Fi to the radio from your phone, like a hotspot, you can actually browse the web. There's a special app where you can browse the web. You can check weather information. It'll display on the screen, and right here, and it'll show you sports information. And the coolest thing is Alexa. So you can actually connect Alexa to it, and you can operate that, from the radio, which is really cool. So if you're interested in something like this, give us a call. Number is 661-286-110, or you can visit our website and check a little bit more options for your car, or you can give us a call and we'll help you out.